All right, today I have a Lincoln Navigator, and I'm going to show you how to add windshield washer fluid to a Lincoln Navigator. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? All right, let's get started. So I'm in the Lincoln Navigator behind the steering wheel, and what I'm going to do is first I'm going to open up the hood in order to access the windshield washer reservoir. So I'm going to go ahead, turn off my vehicle, make sure it's in park as it is, open the door, and then when I do that, I'm going to look down, and you see this right here? This is the lever for opening up the hood. So I'm going to take this, pull that like that, and then I'm going to walk around and the vehicle, and I'm going to walk to the front of the vehicle right here. See, the hood is cracked, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the safety mechanism, which is this lever right here. Take my finger, push it to the left, and the hood is open. And then once the hood is open, I'm gonna look down right here, and you see this reservoir right here? This is the reservoir for the windshield washer fluid. And I'll take it and I'll fill this up, not overfill it, and then close this back down right here. Now that's how you do it for this 2025 version right here. Other versions may be similar, but read the owner's manual before you make your decision to do it yourself. So when you're done, you just go ahead, simply take the hood, shut it down like that, and that's how you add windshield washer fluid to a Lincoln Navigator. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.